These are 8 top stocks in after hours with big percentage moves. While watching bullish after hours price actions, let us inform you our review on LSE. Leishen Energy Holding Co. Ltd., a major player in clean energy equipment and solutions for the oil and gas industry, is making strategic moves worth watching. The company operates across multiple segments, from manufacturing hydrogen compressors to running LNG and CNG processing operations. As the world pushes for cleaner energy, Leishen is positioned to benefit from both traditional and renewable markets. The big question for investors is how well Leishen can scale its new energy operations while maintaining growth in oil and gas services. With industries increasingly shifting to lower emission solutions, companies providing critical infrastructure, like Leishen, have strong potential. But execution and competition will determine how much of that opportunity turns into lasting success. Our review on BOWN. Bowen Acquisition Corp is a SPAC on the hunt for a deal with a focus on Asia. No target yet, no revenue, just capital waiting for the right opportunity. The big question for investors: will they land a high-growth business, or will time run out? With SPACs, it's always a waiting game. Our review on VRPX. Virpax Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is a preclinical stage biotech company developing non-opioid pain treatments and drug delivery systems for CNS disorders. Their focus is on innovative, non-addictive solutions to improve patient outcomes. One key candidate, Probuter, is a long-acting, injectable liposomal bupivacaine designed for extended pain relief at surgical wound sites. Now, Virpax just hit another milestone with Probuter. They conducted a dose range finding DRF study on beagle dogs, and the results were encouraging. All the dogs tolerated the treatment well, and no adverse effects were reported. That's a critical step forward as the company moves toward filing its investigational new drug IND application. For investors, this signals steady progress. Early-stage biotech companies like Virpax rely on successful preclinical data to advance to human trials, and each positive study builds confidence in the pipeline. While there's still a long road ahead before FDA approval, this update keeps Virpax on track and could help maintain momentum in investor sentiment. Our review on ATER. Aterian Incorporated, the tech-driven e-commerce player, just made a bold move to regain investor confidence. The company announced a $3 million share buyback program, a strong signal that leadership believes the stock is undervalued. On top of that, Aterian posted better-than-expected earnings. While they still reported a GAAP EPS loss of 18 cents, it actually beat estimates by a wide margin, $0.34 to be exact. Revenue also came in ahead of expectations at $24.61 million, surpassing estimates by $1.13 million. These numbers suggest Aterian is making progress in stabilizing its business after facing headwinds in the e-commerce space. The buyback program is a key takeaway. When a company repurchases its own shares, it reduces number of outstanding shares, often boosting earnings per share over time. It also indicates confidence from leadership in the company's future. With Aterian still navigating a tough retail landscape, this move could help support stock and signal a turning point in their strategy. Our review on XHLD. 10 Holdings Incorporated, known for its expertise in event planning, production, and broadcasting, just made a move that could positively impact its stock performance. The company announced a $1 million stock repurchase program, which is effective starting March 17, 2025. This decision shows a strong level of confidence in its future prospects and demonstrates the company's commitment to maximizing shareholder value. Stock repurchases, like this one, are generally viewed as a bullish indicator. By buying back shares, TEN Holdings aims to reduce the number of shares outstanding, which can lead to an increase in earnings per share and potentially help stabilize the stock price. The fact that this program has an evergreen term gives the company flexibility to repurchase shares when it sees fit, taking into account market conditions and corporate priorities. For investors, this buyback could signal that the company believes its stock is undervalued, making it an interesting move to keep an eye on. Our review on APDN, Applied DNA's mRNA technology and DNA tagging for security, are key areas of growth. As demand for mRNA treatments rises, their ability to produce RNA could position them well. Their DNA tagging also plays a vital role in security and supply chain traceability, offering potential for broader use as these industries expand. One of their most interesting developments is their work with mRNA technology. With the increasing demand for mRNA-based treatments, their ability to produce RNA for therapeutics could put them in a strong position. Plus, their DNA tagging for security purposes is becoming more critical as industries look to prevent fraud and enhance traceability. As both healthcare and security sectors grow, Applied DNA's technology could see more widespread adoption, which makes them a company to watch in the biotech space. Our review on BREA, Brera Holdings PLC, based in Ireland, is working to make waves in global football by acquiring emerging football clubs and expanding opportunities within sport. The company's strategy focuses on developing clubs that can earn tournament prizes, attract sponsorships, and tap into professional football services. Its portfolio includes segments like FKP, UYBEA, and Brera Milano, with an emphasis on building the Brera football brand. The company is especially focused on acquiring teams in Africa, South America, and Eastern Europe, aiming to boost their presence in the global transfer market. Beyond just football clubs, Brera Milano also offers player transfer services, sponsorships, and even football school programs, which add to its multifaceted approach to growing the sport globally. Our review on CRGX. Cargo Therapeutics Incorporated is a biotech company working on some really innovative treatments for cancer. They're focusing on CAR T-cell therapies, where they take a patient's own T cells, modify them to better recognize and destroy cancer cells, and then reintroduce them into the body. Their lead therapy, CRV22, is a CD22 CAR T-cell treatment that's being tested on cancers like large B-cell lymphoma, which is a type of blood cancer. But the company isn't stopping there. They're also developing new ways to improve how these modified T-cells work, making them more effective at sticking around and attacking tumors. Their work in this space could play a big role in the future of cancer treatments, so it's definitely one to keep an eye on. Please subscribe, give the video a like, and watch more from our playlist. Thanks.